Welcome to MGS Anderstorp. We're going to take a tour in our production facility. We start in the heart of the production, where we'll see some grinding equipment, and we also see some measuring equipment. Looking to the right, you see the round grinding, the extruders, together with some CMM equipment. That's the equipment that we use for measuring during production. It's a lot of measuring. Here you see the CMM measuring, and this is the final inspection of parts, where we measure all the steel parts after they're done. We see our high-speed milling cell for high-speed hard cutting. So here we have 4 5-axis milling machines, and then we have the milling machines. To the left, we have 2 5-axis milling machines for roughing. That's our roughing area. They're also served by a robot. We have an Integrex, also for roughing and also for some finishing. The electrode manufacturing of copper. So it's a 5-axis milling machine for copper electrode. Sliding forward to the EDM department, where we have 2 EDM cells, 512 electrodes and 26 pallets. If we continue here, we see the guys running the cells and also making the electrodes programming for all the electrodes. This corner we have the SLM. This is the sintering metal printing cell. So here we have an EOS 290 machine, which is actually printing Corax stainless steel for conformal cooling of inserts. To the left, we have the electrode manufacturing of graphite electrodes. And this is the CMM area for electrodes and for steel inspection during EDM operation. And to the left, you can see the robot serving the graphite electrodes. Next step here is the turning station, where we have 2 turning machines from MedTech doing round parts mainly. And this is the meeting area for the production, where we have our daily planning meetings and daily follow-up meetings. So in the end of the production area, we have a stock of all the new parts that have been finally inspected, and now they're on the way into the assembly area. Here we got the assembly area. You got an overview. We have 4 separate assembly area where you can assemble 4 molds at the same time. All this assembly is done from the CAD drawings. And here you can actually see aluminum prototype mold, the MGS hybrid mold. And a quick overview of the test center. You see to the left a big 750-ton machine net stall. And in the far right, there is a 100-ton Fanuc for pilot molds. Then there is a Husky as well for pilots. And then a 280 net stall for production molds. So this is the cleanroom area. We have a 50-ton Arborg Cleanroom molding machine, special machine with built-in cleanroom, which can produce parts going into this Cleanroom class 7 and 8. The room is also prepared for another machine, so we can actually have 2 molding machines. Inside it's prepared for assembly, so we actually, at the moment, we do Cleanroom assembly, which goes to the customer for price.